Easy coconut balls, better known as homemade Raffaello balls, are so simple to make. They are tasty and you'll get a lot of them. For the coconut dough, we need 2 deciliters of water, 250 grams of margarine, 450 grams of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 200 grams of shredded coconut, and 500 grams of powdered milk. First, put the water and sugar to boil. As soon as it starts to simmer, put it away from the hot stove. Add the softened margarine and stir until it combines. Gradually add the powdered milk while constantly stirring. It is better to have the liquid cool down a little bit before adding the powdered milk because the powdered milk easily becomes lumped. Although, even if it does happen and you end up with lumps, as long as the dough is still hot, you can easily break the lumps with an immersion blender or with a regular mixer. Add the coconut powder and stir it all in. First, let the coconut dough to cool to room temperature, then transfer it to the fridge to harden. For the balls, we will need 130 grams of hazelnuts or 150 grams of almonds, or better say, for each ball, 1 nut. Sure, you can use both. I'll toast the hazelnuts at 180 Celsius in the oven until their skin doesn't crack, and the almonds I'll just put in a boiling water for a minute or 2 until their skin becomes soft. It's super easy to peel the almonds. Press them a little bit and they will pop out from their skin. As soon the hazelnut skin starts to crack, take them out from the oven. The easiest to peel them is to simply give them a good rub with a kitchen cloth. Use a teaspoon as a measurement and take walnut-sized pieces from the dough. Form them into a disc shape. Then put either 1 almond or 1 hazelnut and close the ball. The formed balls roll into shredded coconut. The easiest is to roll them in 1 baking tray or in a container. This way you can roll more than 1 coconut ball at a time. If you like a lot of coconut around the balls, then try this water trick. Each ball dip in a water and then roll it in coconut. This way even more coconut will stick to them. Enjoy the always super coconut balls, like the video, share the recipe, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe so you won't miss the next Simply Good recipe.